Hello children, welcome to Kerala Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, I have started the lesson number 9, Our Home Earth. We discussed about earth, landforms on the earth, hills, mountains, valleys, plateaus and plains. Today let us know about deserts. Deserts. What are deserts? These are also one of the landforms. These are dry lands covered with sand. They are hot, dry and get very less rainfall. There is very little water in these places. Cactus, date and palm trees grow in deserts. A camel is called the ship of the desert. So, in desert, how the climate will be, how the desert place will be, they have explained. So, these are very dry land covered with sand. Deserts are very dry lands covered with sand. These will be very much hot. Okay. These are very hot and very dry and very dry and get less rainfall. Less rainfall. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So these are very hot, dry and get very less amount of rainfall. There is very little water in these places. So in the deserts, water is available in very less quantity. Where the water is available in deserts, that place is known as oasis. Okay? And to transport from one place to another place in deserts, they will use the domestic animals like camels. So on the back of camel, people will sit and they will transfer go from one place to another place in deserts. So they will use camels for transport purpose, so that camels will call it as the ship of desert in this area. And which type of plants are available here? Cactus, papas kalli ಗಿಡಗಳು, that is cactus. Then dates, palm trees grow in the deserts. An animal is called the ship of the desert, camel. Okay, the plants which will use the less quantity of water like cactus, dates and palms, they will grow in these places, and these plants modified their leaves as its thorns. Okay, these are having thorns in this. Leaves are modified as a thorns. Thorns andre mullugalu. These plants will be having thorns in it. Okay, to avoid the waste of water or irrigation. So this is all about deserts. Let us do. In your notebook, write about any one animal found in the desert. Also paste its picture. So the animal which is present in desert, just now I told that is camel. So take one camel picture from anywhere, cut it and paste it in your book and write its name camel, ship of the desert. Now let's know about islands. What are islands? A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. So pronunciation is island. I-S-L-A-N-D. So it is pronounced as island. S is silent here. So read it like island. So which is surrounded by water. Land surrounded by water. Think that this is a land area. Okay, this much is something land here, and around this land there is a water. So this place is known as island. Okay, a piece of land which is surrounded by water is known as island. On all sides is called an island. Example, the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. These are the two islands of our country, Indian country. Those are Andaman and Nicobar. These are the lands which are covered with all the sides water. Okay, time to answer. Name them. Very hot, dry lands are deserts. Write the answer. Deserts. Okay. Then large area of flat lands. Large area of flat lands are plains. Second answer is plains. Small mountains are called as hills. Hills. Then different features of the earth's surface are called as landforms. Landforms. Different features of the earth's surface is landform. Okay, these are the answers. Write it in your book as well as in your face. Okay, let's once again I will repeat these answers. Very hot, dry lands are deserts. Large area of flat lands are plains. Plains. Small mountains, hills. Different features of the earth's surface, landforms. Water bodies on the earth. Next concept is water bodies. Water bodies on the earth. What are water bodies? So from where, from which source we will get the water, that sources are known as water bodies. So from which water bodies we will get the water? For example, rain. From river, yes, seas and oceans. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. See, our earth is having 3/4 of water. If whole earth is divided into 4 equal parts, in that 3 parts is only water and 1 part is only land. So it means whole earth is having some more quantity of water, 3/4 quantity of water. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. It is found in many forms. That water found in many forms, like oceans. Some of water is in ice glaciers. Some of water is in snow. So this 3/4 of water is present in many forms, like liquid, like gases. It is present in the form of vapor also. See rivers. Rivers are long streams of water. See, you know already how rivers will move. So that moving river is known as stream. Rivers are long streams of water. The snow on mountains melts into water and flows down in the forms of rivers. You know mountains will be high. So in the height place peak there will be too much of cold and snowfall. So these snowfalls, snow will melt because of hot temperature. It will melt and it will convert to liquid form, and this liquid water will flow from the high to the low area. So this flow of known as rivers. This water is used for many purposes like drinking, cleaning, etc. So we know very well how we will use the water. This water we will use for drinking purpose as well as for cleaning purpose as well as for agricultural process, for boiling food, whatever. In our daily life we will use the water. Seas and oceans. Seas are large water bodies. Big seas are called oceans. The water of the seas and oceans is salty and cannot be used for drinking. See, the seas and the oceans are the big water bodies. Big seas are known as oceans. There are 5 oceans in the world. Whole earth is water body is divided into 5 oceans, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, these are all the oceans which are having a large quantity of water. This water is in salty taste. The water of the seas and the oceans are in salty taste, so these are not useful water. The water present in seas and the ocean, that is not a fresh water, it is not able to use for the human bodies or for any useful things. So water of the seas or ocean is salt in taste. No, only 1% of the water on the earth is fresh water that we can actually use. Which water we are using in our daily life, that is known as fresh water. It is in only 1% on the earth. So it's very precious. We should not waste the water. So my dear children, today onwards you decide that to not waste the water at your home. Time to answer. Circle the correct word. 1/4 or 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Answer is, you should circle 3/4. Of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water of river or sea is salty. Sea, answer is sea, you have to circle. We get drinking water from dash oceans or rivers. We get drinking water from rivers. Okay, how to save the earth? Now it's time to know about our earth and how to save it. Earth is our home. It gives us air, water, land to life. We know already that earth is our home. It gives us water, fresh air and to live. We must keep it clean. We should keep our earth very clean. Due to many of our activities such as cutting trees, putting harmful things in air and water, we are polluting the earth and making it unsafe for our living. We can save the earth by doing something such as. So in our daily life we will harm the nature. How? By cutting the trees, by throwing the harmful things to the environment and by releasing the poisonous gases to the air. These all are the activities which makes the whole environment to get polluted. So this polluted area or polluted environments are very harmful for human bodies, and some fine day that will be the very harmful for human beings. So that we need to take some safety measures to keep our earth, our home as clean and safe. So what are those measures? We should not cut trees. So we should not cut trees. We should plant many saplings every year. We should save we should adapt the trees like our kids and we should take care of it. How to take care of the plants? By watering, by keeping them very safe from the animals. Okay, these are the things we will take care of the plants. We should not kill animals. See, animals from the forest or anywhere, we should not kill the animals. We should make the earth green and beautiful by planting more trees. So, we should have the greenery of our surroundings by planting many plants, many trees and keeping them so safe and so healthy. We should not waste water. So, the fresh water is in very less quantity so that we should not waste the water. We should save paper and electricity because papers are made up of trees. To get the papers we need to cut off the trees. So if we cut the trees again it will be harmful for us. So that we should use the paper very by saving the paper and by saving the electricity indirectly we can save our environment. Time to answer. Color the activities that help protect the earth. That is watering the plant. Second one, paper is wasted there. Okay. So some key terms. Atmosphere, a layer of air around the earth. Globe, a model of earth. Landforms, nature features of the earth's surface. Hill, a land area higher than and the land around. Mountains, very tall hills. Valleys, a low land area that lies between a mountain or a hill. Plateau, an area of high level land with a flat top. Deserts, dry land covered with sand. Islands, a land area with water on all the sides. Now I know. We live on the planet Earth. Different natural features of the Earth's surface are called landforms. Oceans are large bodies of salt water. We should make the Earth green by planting more trees. So tomorrow I will solve these question and answers on the board and you can also write in your face. So we will continue this in the next class. Okay, thank you.